So, all the cheap overseas stuff from Amazon, most of the time it gets a bad rap, no matter what the product line is. But in the instance of small engine equipment, especially that of which came from the 90s and before, this stuff can be a godsend. A lot of the time, the manufacturer quits supporting old equipment, and parts like these cables are no longer available, or they're egregiously expensive. And oftentimes, if you can find them, not only are they expensive, but they're new old stock. They've been sitting on a shelf for years. I've seen some of these cables, or some of these just, random parts for older machines start to eclipse prices where it's not even worth purchasing the part and just going and getting another mower or a newer one that's used or whatever. But in the case of this cable, it was a whopping $8. Sourced from China, but it'll do the job perfectly fine. And it should at least last this lawnmower another good few years, 5 years, 7 years, who knows. Because even if you have to keep it running with aftermarket parts, there's no sense in getting rid of something that works perfectly fine.